4-bedroom hall kitchen apartment is what we are showing you today in Vile Parle West area. As you can see, I'm standing in front of the building. This is the elevation over here. It's a 9-story tower. The developers are expecting OC anytime soon. The best part of this building is that you have only one flat on each floor. The 4-bedroom hall kitchen apartment consists of 2297 Rera Carpet Area. If you see the living area layout, it's exclusively done. We will be showing you the flat in anytime soon. But before that, let me explain you with the location. It's a strategic location. I'm standing on VP Road, that's Vile Parle Road. On the right hand side is Bajaj Road, and on my left is Bapubai Vashi Road. Let's have a look at the flat now. This is the living area of the 4-bedroom hall kitchen apartment, which is 2297. If you go to see the living area and the balcony area itself is around 800 square feet. You won't find this type of a product anywhere in Vile Parle West. Let me show you once you enter how the entrance lobby and everything looks. This is a lift. These are 2 lifts over here. This entire lobby you can utilize for your own self. On the mezzanine floors, you have the washroom for servants as well. And the beauty of this, you have a separate entry for kitchen. So in case if you are traveling out of country or something, you can lock your entire main door. You can make sure that the servants are entering only in the kitchen area. As you are entering from the lobby, this will be your living area. As I said earlier, you see the nice, lovely greenery view from the living area, from the balcony itself. Nowadays, you don't get such type of living areas. I'm sure you must have seen a lot of videos, but this is the unique, the USP of this flat, around 800 square feet living and balcony area. Let's have a look at the kitchen now. On the left-hand side, kitchen, you also have a separate exit entry for kitchen as well. As I mentioned earlier, from the lobby also, the house help wants to come directly in the kitchen, they can. It's a butterfly layout. 2 bedrooms are there on the left, 2 bedrooms are there on the right. Let's have a look at the bedrooms one by one. Another beauty is that all the bedrooms are having washroom attached to it. Coming to the second bedroom. Two bedrooms are there on the other side. You have 3 car parkings as well. OC is expected anytime soon. Vile Parle West, Pvt Parle, VP Road. For more details or site visit, please do get in touch with us. Kalpesh Thakker from Jishnurealtorss.